Hello everyone, welcome back to Followers Family. Máa pè yín bọ́lá gbé wọlé. Yeah, wíìgì mi ni lè bọ́n straight. So, ìgbà tó jẹ́ kó rí báyìí mo fẹ́ fix ẹ̀ mọ́ orí fún ara mi. So, mo realize pé it's not easy. Abeg, I can't kill myself. So, mo ti fi powder ṣe everything ṣe already. In fact, the other one sef mo ti install sórí but wọ́n rí pé no, this thing no fit easy. So mo ṣàṣẹ wá jẹ́ kí n wá dè mọ́ cap tí mo ní nílé jàre tí mo rà ní Temu Amazon. So cap yẹn náà mo ṣàdé sórí kíní ìwọ̀n mo ń try àti get àti fix ẹ̀ sí orí bèbí yẹn jẹ́. Òun náà mo ń try àti ṣe kí n ṣáà set ẹ̀ kó lè kí everything lè ṣe pampam. Because it's not easy kéèyàn lè ràn kíní mọ́ orí fún ara fún àwọn tó bá ti perfect. So àwọn ènìyàn kan ló lè ràn kíní yìí sórí fún ara wọn. Mo ti rí mo ṣàṣì ń ṣe mo tún jábọ̀ mo ti wọ́n lọ irọ́ ló pa. I will do this thing today. So mo ṣáà ń try àti máa fi àwọn pin hook ẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ so that a lè wà okay dáadáa. Ẹ̀yin náà wá lọ bá ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ àṣà ṣe àṣà yanjú ẹ̀ ṣá. I begin to So ibi báyìí àti rán frontal yẹn tán bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. That is I think it's 4 inches, yeah, 4x4 on the front yẹn. So back yẹn lélẹ̀ mo wá try àti lo 1 inches each. So mo fi gap 1 inches sílẹ̀ tí mo fi line sí shock mo ń lò. So biro tó máa ń lò yẹn I don't get it, so I have to use my chalk so that I can mark it. You can see what I'm trying to do here. Mo ṣàfihàn mark ẹ̀. Normally kìíní tẹ́dì yẹn àbí dummy rather, yeah, dummy yẹn ó kéré, is too small. So that is why, because the net, the wig cap is I think is large, so it's bigger than the dummy. So that is why the mafiripo skills ni ibi ìsàlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ yẹn, you can see. So I'm just trying to put the line so that I can sew it on my machine, so you'll see it. This is how I'm doing it. So the reason why I'm explaining this place so that you won't say that the dummy is too, I mean the wig cap is excuse. So torí ẹ̀ mo fi ní no ẹ jẹ́ á ṣàlàyé fúnra wa. So mo try àti ṣe yẹn ẹ̀rí mo pé ṣé ẹ̀ ń rí mi o. So mo try àti fún ní line yẹn. So tó bá jẹ́ pé dummy yẹn tóbi dáadáa ni, torí ẹ̀ tóbi dáadáa ni, ó máa size ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ni, but because it's too small, the dummy is too small, so that's why I'm trying to do it like this. So for the beginner, if you want to try to do your wig, you can just follow this step. You won't miss it at all. You won't go wrong with it. So that's what I'm doing here. So guys, ibi báyìí mo ti gbé machine mi bọ́ta, mo ti fi ràn àbí àráyè everybody ní ìsìn machine náà dẹ̀ fi ràn kìíní, wọ́n fi ràn wig wọn ní ìsìn so that to make it faster. So mo ń try àti ràn yẹn tirẹ̀. So mo kọ́kọ́ yọ kìíní other one fún machine mo pé ọ̀dà kìíní yóò lè work jàre. So I have to put it back. You'll be seeing it when I put it back. So I'm trying to set machine here because when you want to sew your wig, don't sew it straight, as in straight like you are sewing clothes. You have to do like zigzag so that it will be stretching when you want to wear your cap. So it will be okay, because when you do it straight, it won't stretch. It will just be like, it won't be okay at all. Let me just put it like that. But teba stitch to bá jẹ́ bí zigzag, so ó máa work today. Mo fi hàn yín pé okay o, bá ṣe ń ṣe leléyìí o, àbí náà nǹkan tó lù ẹ́ bá mọ̀ ṣe ṣó yẹ kó tó lọ máa fowó ṣe ni, kò possible now. So this is it. I'm trying to cut the excess thread. So I'm trying to change it. So just stay tuned until I finish everything. You will now see it. Okay, let's go. I'm trying to set it fast dada. Fast dada. So I have to take one cloth and do it blah blah blah. Then set everything back to normal. Okay. ibi báyìí mo ní láti máa kọ́kọ́ fi sí ẹ tí màá fẹ́ yọ kankan sí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn màá fi méjì sí so mo ti rán wíìgì yẹn àmì wéèvọ̀ yẹn mo ti rán already so òun ni mo ń try àti fi sí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so mo ti double ẹ̀ ṣá so that á lè jẹ́ kó thick dáadáa then á lè jẹ́ kó full because it's 3 bundle and then it's 20 each so the same size ní gbogbo ẹsẹ̀ òun ni mo ń try àti fi sí ibẹ̀ yẹn so the last one mo wá fi sí ní just one layer òun ni màá fi sí ibi tí mo fi frontal yẹn sí so that á lè jẹ́ kó flat ṣe yé wa so that is what I'm trying to do here I'm trying to do báyìí kí la fẹ́ ṣe. We have no choice than to do our things by ourselves now. Europe level. Get to rent to fair buying shit for where it is. Cause anyway, sure, you can just buy the one that I've already do if you want. So I bought it as well. But this one, let me just buy this one. I put it on my hair. Unfortunately, it is for me stress. I don't come here. I don't come this life for come and stress myself. I beg. So, I beg. Yeah, if you say feel loud, Jerry. So, I won't try to shave it. So, I want to double could see food to load with me because I have to use all the 3 bundle, guys, because I don't need it. So, the back one will come I've wasted and so. Mo try to ṣe yẹn mo ṣáà try to yẹ wí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nísìnyí màá tún fi méjì layer méjì sí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà. So, nìyẹn. So the other one then I will put to one. That is what I'm trying to explain because I know that I will do voiceover on this video. So I'm trying to trim it. Then máa ṣe fi àwọn some layers sí orí àwọn ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wà nísàlẹ̀ á lè jẹ́ kí irun yẹn kó full dáadáa so that á lè fine na ara pumping. So mo fi hàn yín yẹn so àwọn gap tó wà lẹ́yìn yẹn I won't put anything in that gap màá kàn gbélé orí the first one tó wà ń bẹ̀ so àwọn mi á jẹ́ bí 2 layer àwọn mi á jẹ́ bí 1 layer so that á lè jẹ́ kó full so that's what I'm trying to do there. So I'm trying to do this one comb it then sew it ètò ìbẹ̀yẹn mo ń try àti fẹ́ gbé sí bẹ́yẹn so 2 layer nìyẹn bẹ́yẹn so that á lè jẹ́ kí irun yẹn kó full dáadáa so màá kọ́kọ́ join ẹ̀ papọ̀ ètò ìbẹ̀yẹn mo ṣe then máa make sure pé zigzag yẹn náà lèèyàn lò lẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe so zigzag yẹn náà mo fi ń close ẹ̀ papọ̀ mo fi ń join ní wave yẹn attachment yẹn papọ̀ sorry mo fi ń join ní wig yẹn papọ̀ ètò ìbẹ̀yẹn so I bought bone straight that is 20 inches then the frontal is 4 by I think it's 4 by 4 yeah so this is what I'm doing here actually so mashallah mo ti join ẹ̀ papọ̀ bẹ́yẹn so I'm trying to comb it then màá fi sí ibi the second to the last line yẹn I'm trying to do the line so that á lè clear dáadáa if I want to do it since I don't have the marker they are using so that's what I'm doing here. You can see for your eyes koro with your eyes actually so I'm trying to ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní kí n cut àwọn kankan kúrò but when I cut it you won't be able to see it very well so that is why I leave it like that. I just fast forward it so that á lè jẹ́ kí iṣẹ́ wa yá so that's what I'm trying to do here so the ready go fast so mo fast forward it so that á lè jẹ́ kó yá torí I can't cut anything out of it. If I cut anything out of it, you won't be able to get it very well. So that is why I'm doing it like this. Fast forward, then do the voiceover because they are playing. They are on TV under. So it's a way. So remain warm. Don't go yet. If you are not subscribed to follow family, what are you waiting for? ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa comment lórí Follow family now. Ẹ support ọmọ yín now, support your girl. So this place have to put one. There only one layer. So this is it. I've already cut the wave one into pieces. I won't lie. When I'm doing it on my hair, I can't record that one because I'm so stressed with that day. So nítorí bẹ́ẹ̀ so màá fi layer ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan sí àlejò flat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When you see this wig when I finish it, oh my god, very beautiful. No what I will wait. If I wait there, I will not remember. I will not tell you that this is the wig that I'm talking about. So that's what I'm trying to do, Jerry. So if you're not subscribed to Follow Family, please subscribe, like, share, comment, sorry, Follow Family. So on around she whatever. So the frontal, you can see that I use needle and thread moving. So later on, I do that one off camera. I láti gbé machine sí orí needle àti thread tí mo fi rán yẹn, so that eléyìí is the remaining one. So I have to join everything together to make the hair full. So mo ní láti gbé machine, I do that one off camera bí mo ṣe sọ. So mo ní láti gbé machine sí orí the first layer in the front one yẹn. So when one needle mo fi rán, so mo gbé machine sórí ẹ̀ so that a lè secure. See how now, see something now. Ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ẹ wo bó ṣe fine. Ó yá sọ fún mi pé mi ò ra wig. So this is it. You can see I'm trying to set my camera, set it that so I'm trying to trim everything so that at least I look perfect. You have to do it perfect now. You can see now. So actually, tó bá jẹ́ pé mo máa padà ṣe wíìgì sí cap ni, I will buy the long frontal to it. Actually, ó bá wà nínú, ṣe mo depend on the size tẹ́ bá fẹ́, so ó bá wà nínú after buying long frontal, but unfortunately I end up doing it on cap. So what should I do? I cannot do anything again. So I'm trying to trim all the side so that I look perfect. Bone straight is bone straight too. So this is what I'm trying to comb it. Then I'll lose into wájú yẹn, then I'll comb them. The other one to one side yẹn, then I will trim it out. Ẹ máa wò mo ń try àti mo rí comb tí mo fẹ́ fi ṣe kò sí nítòsí. So I'm trying to use the needle to separate, to put the line. You can see. So I've not finished yet too, because I'm double the wig you under so that I lay full that. So I'm trying to stretch the middle. Unfortunately, I cannot get it, so I didn't have time to style it. In fact, I've not stretched it. If we press iron, if you press it, so I'm just doing it like this. Can see when I finish this wig, guys. Oh my gosh, very beautiful. Bone straight is bone straight now. Oh yeah, see how I'm doing it. I'm just combing it. Wow, which is fine. So this is it. I'm still trying to set my camera. You can see what I'm doing here. Oh yeah, now. So then I want to cut this excess one. So when we are cutting it, imagine go small a bit lace here, so that maybe you are washing it, you are dragging it, so that it won't be affecting the lace. So that's what I'm trying to do here. The scissors don't want to scissors rara. I'm going to bala. Scissors it too fast. So this I'm not telling my daughter to give me another scissors. So at the end of the day, so I shall padà gé. Yeah. So, you know, when you do something perfect, you have to be, wow, I'm the one that do this. Oh my God. Let's continue there. So, I'm trying to set my camera. Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. It's not easy. So, so, I want to open you have to join everything. Join. Nothing must wait. Nothing must waste. Nothing must waste. So nothing must waste too. So mo fẹ́ kó full dáadáa. So that's why I'm doing all this. I'm opening it. You can see. So I'm gonna try to open from the first layer 1, the second one 2. So the third one I think is 1. So then the fourth one I think all this 1. So mo ní láti gbé one layer sí under so that a lè jẹ́ kó full dáadáa. So that is what I'm trying to do here. Actually, I'm feeling like we might be one layer sí orí ẹ̀. So don't say, why can't you do it 2 layer before? No, I can't do that too. Tí ó bá lọ size àbí tí ó bá lọ tó nǹkan, I have to be losing it again. I don't have time to lose anything. So that's why I have to do all the remaining, all the first one. You know, when I get to the up, I do it 2. So when I know that I still have remaining left, so I'm gonna try to shame me by you. So let's go there. Let's wait for the finishing, guys. I must do this wig, girl. I must do it. That's how I say I'm laughing. I must do the wig, Jerry. So that's what I'm doing here. Very easy to do. It's not even difficult at all. Very easy to do. Just be following the shock line when you are sewing it. Just it. So let's go. Let's wait to the finishing. At this junction, actually, mo ti ṣetán báyìí, ẹ má bínú mi ò mọ̀ pé kíní yẹn ò rè sókè ò sún sókè dáadáa. So mo ń try àti fi elastic sí àwọn pin wọn tó máa ń fi sí yẹn tó máa ń rán mi. I have it at home but I don't like it. Wọ́n máa háyàn lórí yẹn, so I don't like it. So when you are sewing your elastic, èèyàn ní sew ẹ̀ sí mọ́ lace yẹn ṣáà ti rí ibi tí mo fi sí, so that when you are dragging it will not be cutting the lace. So ẹ má bínú kò show bẹ̀yẹn ìyá this fuck up. So ẹ ti rí bẹ́yẹn. So mo ní láti sew ẹ̀ sí ara net yẹn gangan, not that net lace, not that front rather. So ẹ ti rí bẹ́yẹn. So mo ń try àti wọ̀wọ̀ yá yẹ̀ wò ṣó wà okay. Ó yá see something, see how the hair come full. The hair full, your face show. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to wait just to wash it because of this thing that I put oil. So so I'll still wash it, then do everything. So we see the result. I have to do that one yesterday. The same day I have to wash it, then dry it. So it's very much. So mo ní láti kàn máa test díẹ̀ wò. Yeah, now cash off is recap. Maybe I have to buy another car, another dummy. Maybe if I want to continue with doing this. So this is the finishing. Can you see? Mo padà lọ mú kóòmù wá o. Ẹ ti rí bẹ́yẹn. Mo padà lọ mú kóòmù wá fún. Ẹ ti rí mo ṣe ara fi kóòmù mi là. Ẹ ti rí nà. Ó yá nà see something. A sọ pé mo mọ wíìgì ṣe láró sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Who told you that? Ẹ ti rí bẹ́yẹn. So mo ní láti spray omi sí so that a lè lay down. Àwọn kí ló ń polúkọ ẹ̀ tó máa ń lò yẹn. I have it but I don't know where I keep it. So I just put water. Tó fi máa ń lé bí jẹ́ báyìí máa fi press ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ á lè jẹ́ kó lọlẹ̀ dáadáa. So I have it at home but I don't know where it is. So that's why I use water. Ẹ ti rí bẹ́yẹn. So on eléyìí the hair is giving jare. It's giving. See now. See my bun straight. There's no need to trim it because everything is equal. See. Yeah, na got my rock and some ma. Yeah, na. It's really bad. So, what's on ya? Hey, ya play. ìwọ ló ṣe lè fún ara rẹ̀. Ó yá now, let's go there. Nítorí wọ́n ṣáà ń yí wọ, wọ́n ṣáà ń gbé lọ, wọ́n ṣáà ń gbé wọ, wọ́n ní wow, very beautiful. Orí yìí ò fẹ́ dún onírọ̀, you must stay, you must, yeah, stay. I have to set it very well, yeah, stay jọ. So, ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. So guys, this is the finishing. So mo ní láti fi elastic sí so that I lè tight. So this is the finishing. Mo ti part orí ẹ̀ kò ní part, but I can do it, or I just do it like this. I can do this place anyhow. So guys, this is it. Normally 3 bundle ni with closure. So closure yìí mo ti kọ́kọ́ lò sí irun tẹ́lẹ̀, mo get ẹ̀ mo láti tú dànù. So òun ló jẹ́ kó yẹ pé mo ti cut ẹ̀ kí n tó fix ẹ̀. So then 20 inches ní gbogbo ẹ̀, 3 bundle with closure. Each one is 20 inches. Ẹ wo bó ṣe fún mo dìídì lo gbogbo ẹ̀ ni. We need extra àwọn woman hair, real woman hair. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ dá woman hair mọ̀ dáadáa, bun straight on. Mi ò tí stretch ẹ̀ o. Wá ní kò dà, no, mo ò tí stretch ẹ̀, but mo dẹ̀ di test ẹ̀ wò. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ original bun straight, ẹ̀yẹn ṣáà fi iná sí. Tẹ́ bá ti fi iná mú kékeré kẹ́ fi iná sún. Tẹ́ tó bá ti ń kán lẹ̀ báyìí tó ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé that one na fake. So but tẹ́ bá ti ń lò, tẹ́ bá ti tan náà sí, tí òkàn tó ń rùn bí irun yẹn, mọ̀ pé irun yẹn náà tẹ́ bá kan dédé tẹ́ bá sún, ẹ mọ̀ bó ṣe máa ń rùn exactly. So òyìn gangan ni. So this real woman hair. We ò tí stretch ẹ̀, we ò tí ṣe anything. So this all the 3 bundle. Yẹ̀yẹ̀ wò náà tí ní tó kún bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tí ní tó kún bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n mọ̀ ní gbogbo ẹ̀ sí tán ni. Tẹ́lẹ̀ kò sí ọdún ẹ̀ fi ṣe. So kékeré tó kún bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyí. Ẹ má ní àkúfẹ̀ kan lè tán ẹ̀ fi yẹn lẹ̀. So this is the end. Thanks for watching. Yín tẹ́ bá ti subscribe sí Follow Family. Ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa comment. Ẹ ti rí bó ṣe fù, ẹ ti rí. Yeah, kò dẹ̀ wúwo, very light. Ẹ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí wájú ẹ̀. Ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ má wọlé nígbà tí wọ́n máa rock ẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹ ti rí bó ṣe fine. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.